This video introduces the mechanism of subconscious resonance and examples of problem solving with Hado water. Seiichiro Yoshinochi, who has been conducting Hado research alongside Dr. Masaru Emoto, provides the explanation.
For example, some people have physical health issue, or some have human relationship issue, and some even have financial issue or issues around their work, and I'm here to solve those problems. And some people without any particular issue come here because they want to achieve certain goals. For example, they want to pass exams to enter schools, or to get the jobs that they want, or some even have relationship issue, love relationship issues, or some people want to start their own business, becoming independent. As you can see, we use the counseling method called Hado counseling, and we can apply this to any issue at all. The reason is because we can approach directly to our client's subconscious. And if one's subconscious changes, the reality that they are in can change. Our consciousness is a sort of an energetic body, and in it a lot of information is stored. And this thing called Hado is here because they have the phenomena called resonance. That's why, depending on what kind of information you have in your subconscious, the people you attract, such as your friends, would be coming to you, resonating with your information. Also, the person that you would be marrying would be determined depending on your information. Also, what kind of work you would have is being attracted by your information resonating with something. And if you have negative information in your subconscious, you can attract physical issues. So anything that you would experience is being attracted by your information in your subconscious. And we have different levels of consciousness in our human conscious. And on the surface, we have conscious that we are aware of. And then below that, underneath that, there is subconscious. So this surface conscious is something that you are aware of. And that part is taking only 5% of the whole structure. And the rest, 95%, is what you call subconscious. And subconscious can be divided into two levels. One is your individual subconscious, and deeper part is being shared with other people, which is called collective unconscious. And in this conscious, enormous amount of information is stored. Your memory in your subconscious, the information varies, and some of them are negative. And so-called negative information is at work to create various types of problems in your reality. So in order for us to solve the issues in our reality, we need to approach this root cause in our subconscious. So we have various different kinds of issues in our world that we can recognize. And for example, one can have some negative personality. When the person has a negative personality, that can create negative emotion, negative thoughts. And if you accumulate those negative emotion inside of your consciousness, you can hurt your health. And also, there are a lot of people who have issues around around human relationships. And many people suffer with their own negative behavior patterns. For example, a person can repeat the same mistakes again and again, repeatedly, or one knows what they need to do, but it's very difficult to accomplish that. So there are a lot of people who have this kind of issues, and the root cause of those problems are in their subconscious. So this root cause is the negative karmic information in their subconscious. Let me give you one example. There was one client who was very introverted, very shy. This person had always issues around his or her throat, and also dermatitis. And also this person was very shy, so it was very difficult to get close to someone whom he or she met for the first time. That this behavior pattern, which was negative, was this person couldn't go to a restaurant or shop by himself. And this person was not able to talk to people. It was the issue that they were suffering. So when it was searched, the root cause was searched in this person's subconscious. This strong fear came up. So if one has a very strong fear in their subconscious, they would attract negative energy because it would resonate. So, for example, what they would attract is electromagnetic waves, virus, toxin, and spiritual interferences. And because those negative things can give a negative impact and influence, so the person would naturally get very sick. So by drinking Hado water, it helps not to get influenced by this negative energy. It has the self-healing power. So from this state, possible to move towards the more healthy state. And once the person achieves this healthy state, they need to resolve this negative karma. If you drink Hado water, you can resolve this negative karma very smoothly. And in the end, the person also can exert their effort to finally resolve this negative karmic issue. So the person can use only 5%, his or her own effort can be only for 5%. First, when you take Hado water, this can block negative energy that is coming from outside. So it works, it gives the 50% of the effect, and it can also support to resolve the negative karma. That power is about 45%. And finally, the person can take their own action, and this part is 5%. So that person also used his or her own effort to actively go in front of people and try to talk to other people. So that makes 100%, and the issue that they had was resolved 100%.
Thank you for watching the video all the way through. If you're interested in exploring more about Hado, water, and consciousness, consider joining us at the Hado Instructor School. For more details about the school and Hado devices, please refer to the links provided in the overview section.